Okay, so right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the public subnets the auto assign IPv4 address enabled so that whenever I use this like public subnets, I don't have to change the IPv4 address manually every time. So for that, what I have to do, just go to my in here, just go to my VPC, go to the subnets. So select this public one, which is the public, this one. See, enter subnet public 2, then click on the action, then edit subnet settings. In here I can see enable auto assign public IPv4. Just save it, and I'm going to do it for the rest of the two also. To the entire public one, action, edit subnet settings, enable, save it. Then the public 3, this is the public 3, actions, subnet settings, save it. So that's how I'm going to assign the IPv4 so that whenever you create instant and select this any public subnets, then you don't have to change these IPv4 address manually to the enable every time.